This video will walk you through the basics of creating a reference list entry for journal articles using the 7th edition of APA formatting. So, you just read the perfect article to round out your argument in the paper you're writing. Well, don't forget to create a reference list entry for that source. When you create a reference entry for articles, in particular articles from online scholarly journals, there are a number of elements you need to make sure to include: the author or authors of the article, the date of publication, and the source. In this case, the journal in which the article was published, the volume and issue number, and the pages the article can be found. Also, the DOI or URL for the article. You should be able to find all this information on the database record for the article. You can also ask a librarian for help. Looking at the images for the article titled "An Academic Librarian's Search for Meaning, a Survey on Lifelong Learning, the Library Literature." Now we need to locate additional information to create a reference list entry. The author, Megan Hayes Mahoney, publication date 2017, the journal title, the Journal of Academic Librarianship, volume and issue number 43 and 6, pages 540 through 547, and the DOI. Okay, well, we have all our pieces, but there's still one more step. We need to put everything together in the proper APA format. That means making sure all the elements are in the correct order and formatted properly. This is the basic formatting for a journal article, but let's take a look at how this looks with our example article. First, we have the author's last name and first initial, and a middle initial if it was included, date of publication in parentheses, title of the article, with only the first word of the title and subtitles capitalized, unless it's a proper noun, followed by the source information. For articles, this will be the journal the article was published, the volume and issue number the article appeared, the page numbers for the article, and the DOI if there is one listed. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on reference list entries for articles with APA 7. There are 2 other videos in this series, one for books and one for book chapters. Check those out too.